Slight breeze for this crew as they come down. Scorchin 1, that's the inside lane. Charlotte Harbor 2. Pan Am Training Boat Club, their Ghost Riders crew up the middle in 3. Largo Real Estate Professionals in 4. And Bush Stars outside lane 5. Close back 1, 2, 3, and 4. Scorch 1. Charlotte Harbor 2. Ghost Riders 3. Palermo in 4. 1, 2, and 3. Scorch 1. Charlotte Harbor 2. Ghost Riders in 3. Palermo pulling up just a bit. Early in the second half and look in the middle of lane 2. Charlotte Harbor. Lane 3. The Ghost Riders. Here come the Ghost Riders in 3. Charlotte Harbor 2. Ghost Riders 3. Heading to the finish line. Ghost Riders 3. Ghost Riders 3. At the line. It's going to be very close. The Ghost Riders in 3 and Charlotte Harbor closed that.
Could you hold this while I run across and get a picture of him coming back?
Much of it.